Millions of Indians possesses documents like Aadhaar, PAN card, voter ID, passport, driving license and ration card. But do these documents automatically prove that a person is an Indian citizen? Or is there a difference between identity documents and proof of citizenship? In this video, Dravidian News TV explains the facts based on Indian law. Citizenship is the legal relationship between an individual and Republic of India. It determines who enjoys the rights and responsibilities of being an Indian citizen. Indian citizenship is governed primarily by the Constitution of India and the Citizenship Act 1955 along with subsequent amendments. It is important to understand that identity documents and citizenship are not always the same thing. Aadhaar card Aadhaar is a unique identity number issued to residents of India for identification purposes. It helps people access government services and benefits. Aadhaar by itself is not proof of Indian citizenship. A PAN card is issued by the Income Tax Department for taxation and financial transactions. Its purpose is tax administration. It is not a document that establishes citizenship. Driving license. A driving license authorizes a person to drive a motor vehicle. It proves driving eligibility and identity. It is not proof of citizenship. Ration card. A ration card helps eligible households receive subsidized food grains under the public distribution system. It is mainly linked to welfare schemes. It is not a citizenship certificate. A voter ID is issued to eligible persons whose names are included in the electoral roll. It also citizens to vote in elections. While voter registration is intended for eligible citizens, questions about citizenship, if they arise, are determined under the relevant laws and procedures, not by the card alone. Passport. An Indian passport is generally issued to Indian citizens for international travel after verification under applicable laws. However, like other official documents, a passport may be subject to cancellation or legal challenge. If it was obtained through fraud or misrepresentation, questions regarding citizenship are ultimately decided under the law by the competent authorities. Some individuals receive formal citizenship certificates, such as through registration or naturalization under the Citizenship Act. However, not every Indian citizen possesses a separate document called a citizenship certificate. Citizenship can arise in different ways provided under law, and the applicable evidence may vary depending on the circumstances. Many people assume that if they have several government issued documents, those documents automatically settle every legal question about citizenship. In reality, different documents serve different legal purposes. Identity, residence, taxation, voting, driving, travel, welfare benefits. Each document has its own purpose and none should be misunderstood outside its legal context. If you have questions about your citizenship status or the documents required in a particular legal situation, consult the relevant government authority, follow official notifications, do not rely on rumors circulating on social media, always verify information from official government sources or qualified legal professionals. Understanding the purpose of each government document helps avoid confusion and misinformation. Knowing the difference between identity, residency, and citizenship is important for every citizen. If you found this documentary informative, subscribe to Dravidian News TV for evidence based documentaries, legal awareness, public interest journalism, and educational content. This documentary is intended for educational and public awareness purposes. It summarizes general legal concepts and does not constitute legal advice. Citizenship questions are governed by applicable Indian law, and individual cases may depend on specific facts and decisions by the competent authority. Viewers should refer to official government notifications or seek qualified legal advice for their particular situation.